What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Drea, aka Naturally Drea, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this twist and curl on my natural hair. I more so wanted to create this video for the girls who struggle with keeping their ends together to get that nice curl at the end. This video is for you. It came out really nicely. You can wear it down, but I chose to do a little style with it. So I basically did like two little flat twists. You can't really see it that much. So if you guys would like to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so now starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like. I let it dry completely, which was a bad idea without moisturizing my hair or nothing, but yeah, this is what I'm working with. And today I'll be using these small yellow perm rods, and I'll be using one product today, which is this Taliah Waajid Apple and Aloe Curl Definer. And as always, I'm going in with a little bit of water and my Tangle Teezer brush. And first, I'm going to dampen my hair with the spray bottle just to get it, I'm not wetting it completely, I'm just getting it a little damp so the product sticks. And going in with my Tangle Teezer brush, I'm going to add a dime-sized amount of that Taliah Waajid product. Now, let me tell y'all, this product is so thick, so you don't want to use too much. It's bomb, but it's thick. And today I'm going to just be doing a regular 2-strand twist. And when I get to the end of my hair, I leave about 3 to 4 inches of hair when I go to perm rod the ends. And I don't wrap it regularly. I do like a, what do you call it? I'll roll it up the rod instead of wrapping it around the rod, if that makes sense. So it kind of looks like a rope around the rod. I hope that makes sense to y'all. And I'll show you better with this one. So I'm going to repeat those same steps, spraying it down just to get it a little damp. I'm going to go in with my Tangle Teezer to detangle that small section. And I am using small sections, by the way. And I think when I get to like the crown of my head, I go just a little bit bigger for more volume than definition. And as you can see, I start at the very end and I wrap it and I twirl it up my hair. And I'm going to repeat those same steps on my entire head, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. So I just want to quickly come right back on here and tell y'all how amazing this product is. Right now, it's my favorite product. My favorite product used to be the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, but this Taliah Waajid product completely took its place. So if you do not have this product, I highly recommend it. It does exactly what it says. It defines your curls so well. I think I'm gonna try this next time on like a wash and go, because I feel like, oh my god, I would have some good results with a wash and go using this product. But yeah, if y'all want to see that, just comment down below. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair looks like once I'm done wadding my hair completely. And in the next clip, this is the next morning. I slept with them overnight, and oh my god, I didn't get no sleep last night, if I'm being honest. These things are so freaking uncomfortable, but it was definitely worth it. Once y'all see the ending product, oh my god, my hair came out so popping. So it was definitely worth it sleeping in them. But now I'm just unraveling. I'm just not unraveling. I'm taking them down. So I'm basically I basically wrap them in the opposite way that I rolled them on my hair, if that makes sense. And as you can see, I just took some olive oil and I used it on the tips of my fingers just to reduce any frizz. And as you can see, like I do with all my twist outs, I always, once I'm separating every individual twist, I twirl it around my fingers to get rid of any frizz. And throughout this whole video, when I'm taking down my hair, I went back like maybe 5 times to add more oil to my fingers. And also, if you guys want to just see a regular 2-strand twist out video, I have one on my channel. I'll link it in the cards above right about now, so you can just click the cards above to go watch that video if you just want to do a regular 2-strand twist out and want to know how to do one. Alright y'all, so once I'm done separating those twists, I just go in with my pick and I start to pick my hair to give my hair more volume. And today I wasn't really feeling it, just wearing it out. I wanted to do like something to it, you know, to add a little spice. So I decided to do this little style. And now I'm just adding my Style Factor Edge Booster Gel, and this is the scent Blueberry. And I'm just applying it to my edges because I'm gonna get ready to do like a small little flat twist in the front. And as you guys can see, I just added that little flat twist, and I used 2 bobby pins and I crisscrossed them just so my hair wouldn't move. If you guys want to see more natural like hairstyles from me like this on like twist outs or wash and goes or braid outs, make sure you hit that like button and also comment down below. So unfortunately my camera died while I was creating this little style, but this is what it looks like once I'm done. If you guys want to see an in-depth tutorial on how I lay my edges, make sure you comment down below. And yeah, I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoy it as well. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and also click that little bell button so you never miss when I post a new video. And there will be a video coming next on this makeup look, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.